Hey, welcome back, Math Gurus. Today's video will focus on scatterplots. So for the first example, the scatterplot shows the exam grades of 16 students and the number of hours they watched TV before the exam. Which statement is true about these students? 4 students watched TV at least 8 hours. So that means 8, 9, or 10 because it says at least. So we want 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 6, so that would debunk A, meaning that A is false. 4 students scored less than 70. That means it doesn't include the 70. It would be 60 and 50. So that would actually be 3. So that would also be false. Now we're going to look at the third answer choice, or C, 1/4 of the students scored more than 90. So this is the 90 mark. We don't want to include it. We only want to include the dots, and then that's actually 3. And since there's 16, it's 3/16, so that would be wrong. The last one says 1/4 of the student watch less than 6, so that's 5 and 4. So this would probably be 5.5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 out of 16. So we're going to see if that's equivalent to 1/4. So you would scale down. Students know that this is half, so we'll divide both by 2. You could start with the greatest common factor. There's nothing wrong with that. But this technique tends to help kids because they know difference between odd and even. And so they both divide by 2 again. And so you ended up with 1/4. Now your greatest common factor was 2 groups of 2, which equals 4. Just if you wanted to know, you didn't have to divide by 2 and 2. You could have just did 4, but D would be correct. Let's go to the next answer. Question, the scatterplot shows the weight of 12 crates and the number of watermelons in each crate. What fraction of crates weigh at least 30 pounds and contain more than 6 watermelons? So at least 30, so that includes this and above. However, but it says more than 6. So we're only looking at this piece here. We don't want to include the 6 because it says more than, so that means 7, 8, and 9. So now I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 out of 12. 5 is a prime number, can only be divided by 1 in itself. And there's nothing 5 cannot go into 12 without a remainder. So we're done with our fraction. All right, well, thanks for watching. Hope the video helped. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe.